Bleh. Hello and welcome to the YouTube video.
So I was at Home Depot and I was checking out, and this guy comes up behind me and he's like, "Hey man, do you have a YouTube video of you rebuilding a boat?" I was like, "Yes, I do." And he was like, "Yeah, I thought I recognized you." And I just thought it was insane that with only 470 subscribers, I would run into one of them at Home Depot. But it was super fun and really encouraging. It totally made my day. It means a lot to me to have so many people watching. I mean, whether the videos are good or bad, it takes a lot of work to make them, so it's really fun and rewarding to have people watch them and enjoy them. This video is a pretty different style from production quality as the other. Oh my gosh. The production called. Bro. This. This video is a pretty different. Okay. Stop laughing.
Just gotta get it out of the system. Okay.
This video is a pretty different style than my previous one, so the production quality isn't quite as good as the others. I want to express my gratitude for having people watch by having high production quality, so just bear with me this time, and we all have to start somewhere. That's it.
Is that it?
Yep, and then I'm going to jump into the video.
The kiwi grip should be dry and hard enough to walk on barefoot the next day, so here I am. Ooh, it's so exciting. Definitely a huge improvement from straight gel coat. Straight gel coat is super slick.
I still want to coat the underside of the oil pan to protect it from rusting anymore. So I need to get this rust encapsulator under there. It's a great product, by the way. Eastwood rust encapsulator. But it won't fit through here. So I have to feed it back from behind the engine under and then get my hand under there and like maneuver it. We'll see if it's even possible. Alright, I'm going to shoot it forward. Yep. It's all going according to plan. There is just there's not really enough space to get my hand under there to spray. Okay, can't get it in over here. I have to go in from the back where I did over here. And then roll it over to the other side. Okay, now I've got it, but I can't tell which way the nozzle's pointing.
Guess you gotta spray it and find out. Hope it's not at your face.
Oh, it was directly into my hand. Directly into the palm of my hand. Now I'm going to go get all the hoses out of the car and start cutting them up and putting the new hoses on. Today started out a little rough with some of the hoses that I got for the engine are not going to work, so I have to go get different hoses. But a big win is that all these engine control cables, this is for the throttle, your forward reverse, and there was one outside that's the stop that turns the engine off. We're all seized up, and now, as you can see, I have them moving. It's great because that's one less thing that we have to buy or get or figure out to run the engine. We're getting there, one thing at a time. The whole saltwater side of the cooling system is 5/8, except 3 connections that are 3/4. So 3 times I have to do the very difficult task, apparently, of squeezing a 5/8 hose over a 3/4 connector. So I'm almost done with the second one, and then I'll have one more down there that I'm not gonna do tonight. I'm getting blisters from pushing this on. I'm gonna call that on enough. Rolling on the new paint color. What do you think of it?
I think it's awesome. Are you ready
Yes.
to see this bathroom? Check that out. Wow, it looks like a completely different color on the video.
In real life, it's much greener.
So I did 2 coats. This is the Mystic Turquoise. It's just exterior house paint. Today we're gonna go down south to Port Aransas and see whooping cranes. It's very exciting. And so hopefully there's gonna be a whole bunch. And actually a couple weekends from now there's like a whooping crane festival because there's so many. So we're gonna avoid the crowds of the festival, but hopefully still see a bunch of cool birds.
That's it? That's all the progress we made on the boat this week? I'm not trying to hide it, we were facing some serious burnout. Having the boat closer to being done means less projects, which means less opportunities to switch to something else when you hit a wall in your current project, which leaves us banging our heads against the same wall for a while sometimes. I've been trying to prove that I'm smarter than a diesel engine for a week, and Savannah has been trying to stay productive while bad weather is preventing her from moving her objectives forward. We took 2 days to do 2 of our favorite things, exploring a new place and looking for animals.
They took group nap to another level.
We definitely, possibly found whooping cranes. Way out there. How do you feel now that you've successfully seen a whooping crane? Which are still in the background, like right there.
I've checked 2 things off my list now. One was to see them. Second was to see them fly. Now I just gotta hear one whoop.
There's 9 whooping cranes out here, 3 of them close, which I think is like 1% of the population of whooping cranes, so pretty great. Yeah, oh look, here come a bunch more flying in. Dude, we finally got to hear it make some noise. That video was terrible because I was so excited. That was great. Look at them, they're chasing each other. We got to hear them whoop.
All 3 things that I wanted have occurred now this weekend.
Oh, cool.
Now I've even seen them run too. Look at that. Oh, they're being funny. Yeah. I was like, did it charge at one of those birds? Like, yeah, they always just look so comfortable.
He's like a what? Finally, we got to see an amphibian. Bullfrog. After seeing the cranes, we decided to celebrate Valentine's Day early by going out to eat. The food and the drinks were fantastic. We hit the beach after for some more bird watching and relaxing. Ooh, it's
a super long beak one. There it is. The long-billed something.
Taking this break was perfect because it brought us back to the heart of the boat project. It reconnected the work we need to do with the outcome we want. Even though it hasn't gone according to the plan at all, this boat is going to allow us to explore new places in a way that we have only dreamt about. Having almost 500 people tag along to witness our struggle and root for our success is actually really fun and amazing. You guys are really helping us keep going, and I hope in some small way we keep you trying to find a way around your own walls as well. Goodbye, have fun! Massive endangered birds are cool and all, but when are we gonna see some snakes? There's a mosquito biting me. Let's go!
Are you ready?
Aye, aye, Captain! I'm done.
Okay.
Just kidding. No. I have more to say. Now, are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.